Hello, welcome back. My name is Ren, or hi.imtoasty, and today I'm going to do a mini unboxing video. I have a box, and it is from my sister-in-law, so I'm going to open it and show you some of the stuff she sent. Milo being a very, very curious boy. You're so cute. So, inside the box we have a blanket, a very soft blanket. I think this is Jake's Christmas present, which she said that he can open early, or have early. Some Christmas cards with Grogu. They're really cute. Cute stitch socks. Christmas leggings. More cleanser. Mama Bear's gifts, which I know what they are, but I will not say right now because I don't want to, if she watches this, I don't want to ruin the surprise. Amy also got me a cute top. I don't know if YouTube is going to allow this. I'm going to try. Sir. This cute top. Sure.
There's nothing in it. Is there?
You tried to get it in the box. There's a few things in there.
No, you got a cat in the box.
A cat in the box. Some more lighters. Scrunchies. He failed to get in the box. And then lastly, more cute Christmas socks. Before I end this very, very short video, I'm going to open the blanket with you. If I can. It's very fuzzy. Okay, that is all. I hope you enjoyed this short, silly little video, and I will see you again soon. So it might be kind of silly, but I just wanted to say that now I have 2 pairs of these leggings because I couldn't find the other pair that I was going to use for a caroling event, and I found them, and my sister-in-law Amy sent these, so now I have 2 pairs, but that's okay. They're really comfortable, so